Everyone, I'm back again. Today we do something different. Follow me. So, Roman pizza with a final twist. Semolina. Push the edges down. We don't want air here. Nice and flat. Flip it. Upside down. Now shake the semolina off. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Never fingers in, otherwise you make a hole. Not good. Bit of semolina down, like this, not too much. Put the base down. Now, fior di latte cheese. Okay, nice base of fior di latte. Then we got pancetta. Split in half. Now, parmesan. Sprinkle parmesan all the way around. Pepper. Okay, so this is our base, and now we'll go and cook it. Before we put on the peel, we can do this. Put a little bit of semolina here. Make sure it's not wet. Okay, then we go underneath flat. Don't lift it, otherwise you're not gonna catch it. Flat in, and now you give the final shape once the pizza is on the peel. Pinch it by the ears, e andiamo in forno. Follow me.
Thank you very much.
Sir.
Thank you. See you soon.
Let's have a look at the base underneath. Perfect. Turn it, make sure it's cooked evenly all the way around. And our pizza is almost finished.
Beautiful. Ooh.
Now, we use the buffalo mozzarella imported from Italy. Finally, it's back in stock. I want to show you what you can do with this. You spread it all the way around the pizza. Oh my god, look at this already. And it's not finished yet. And now we top it up with the fucking flies. and now we top it up with the best local honey you can find. Look at this. Oh my god, buffalo mozzarella with honey. This is the Romanella buffalo mozzarella version. Now I'm gonna eat it. I'm not just leaving it here. Get it? Fold in half.
Perfecto.
Oh no! Perfecto!